Yo, what's going on, you guys? My name is Maximum.123 here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to create your own thumbnails for your YouTube videos using a website called Pixlr. Now, I will put this website's link in the description below so you can go onto it and follow my steps. So, without any further ado, let's start. So first you want to click create a new image and go on to presets and go down and click movie 720p. Now you click transparent and name it whatever you want. So I will call this example thumbnail. There we go. Now you start this. So what you want to do is press Alt, or you can press Alt and you can zoom in and out, or you can press this button called maximize and then you can just do this. Now the first thing we're going to do is go onto a new tab and searching grunge backgrounds. Now this will make your thumbnail look much better. So yeah. So once you have picked out a grunge background that you really like I'm going to choose this one, you click on one of them and press view image. Now if this loads, come on. So now you right click on the image, press save image as, and now save it to a document where you know that you can find it. So I'm going to press grunge background and save as a JPEG image. Once you save that, you can go off that, go back to Pixlr, and then file, and wait. Okay, so you're going to click on layer, open image as layer, and click down to where you've saved it. Where is it? So there's mine. And now most of the time it's going to be too big or too small for your canvas, so you press edit, free transform, and then you press shift, otherwise the proportions of your picture are going to change. So you do that, because look, if you just do it as normal, it changes like that, but when you press shift and then do it, it'll be the same. So so create it to the size of your canvas like this, and then click anywhere and put yes, apply the changes. Now if you want to make your screen look much better, like right now it's just some random, I don't know, it's a very weird like color, so you can go on to adjustment, hue and saturation, press colorize, and it will change the color of your background. Now you don't really have to press colorize because it will still change the color, but just do it. So I'm going to keep my color as that's good. So I like this. Now I'll keep it as this. Now there's another way you can make your background look much better. So you go into filters and you click on Gaussian blur, and you can change the blur to whatever you want. Like I'm going to change it to like 2027. Actually yeah, I'll change it to 30 if I can get it. There we go. And now this looks way better, because when you put in your text on what you want to create, it'll pop out the screen and people are going to see what you're trying to create. Now what you want to do is create a new layer by pressing this button, new layer. Now you go onto the rectangle tool and make sure it's on rectangle. Now make like little rectangles on each of the sides. It doesn't have to be perfect. I'm eyeballing it too. So one more side, but just make sure you don't make it too big. Now go on to filter and click Gaussian blur and just make it max. Now this is so much better. Now you go on to, where is it, the type tool, and type in whatever you want. Like I'm going to type in how to create, no wait, how to make, and then I'm going to choose font that I downloaded, and I'll leave a link in the description so you can download it too. So this is Aldo the Apache, I don't know how to pronounce it, but to download it, you go into the first link in the description and press download. Once it's downloaded there, you go into your desktop and extract here. Once it extracts, you just click it and press install. I've already installed it, so I don't need to do it again. Anyway, to carry on, you type in whatever text you want to and change the size to something normal, like 134, and make the color all the way white. You can make it any color, but I prefer white. And you can also make it bold or regular. I'll just make it bold for this. Now you can move it around. If you want your thumbnail to be much more professional, just try and center it up. After you've done that, you press layer styles and you can put a drop shadow. Go into the drop shadow, you can make the opacity 100. Distance, I would personally make it 5, and size I would make 4. Now what you can do is go right click onto the layer which you have the text on and duplicate layer. Now I put it back right there, right there, and now I go into the type tool again and change it to what I want, like this, and I'll just make it bigger, and I'll try and center it. Actually wait, yep, center it like that. Now what we're going to do is duplicate the layer one more time and then put it down there, and we type on the type tool again and we change this to for free exclamation mark. And now I'm going to change the font to Blowbrush. This is another link I'll put in the description for you to download. It is the same website, defont.com. Now click that and you can change the color to whatever you want. Like I'm going to make it purplish, keep it there, and like that. Okay, so once you've chosen what color you want, just press OK again, and now you can change the, what do you call it, you can change the size of your text by pressing rasterize layer on that thing, and now you can press free transform and make it much bigger so it pops out more. I'm going to keep it about there, and you're going to do that for all of the layers. Free transform once again and make it relatively the same size. So I'm going to change it there. That goes the same for this one. No wait. Rasterize layer, edit, free transform, and make it big. And center it up. So right there. So after you've done that, I want you guys to go to Google and type in grunge sunburst background black and white, and now I've chosen this one, and then you can, this one doesn't have view image, so I'll have to choose some other one. Okay, none of these have any I'll just click on that. Yeah, click on that. I'll just press download. Oh my life. Okay, so once you've downloaded this, whatever grunge background you've chosen, you click layer, open image as, okay, what the heck, layer, open image as layer, and open it over there. And I'm going to press free transform, and I'm going to center it up right about there. Save it. Yep. And I'm going to take this layer and put it below all my other layers, and I'm also going to put this behind that layer that we made, but like this. And now I'm going to change the opacity but to about 20 or so, and then you can make it look much better in the background. So one last thing I'm going to do to make this look better, I'm going to go, you have to save this, go onto the layer which is the sunburst background, go on adjustment, filter, Gaussian blur, and put it into like the 40 to 60 blur point. So I'm going to keep it at 41. And now that's all for now. Now whenever you think it's ready and you can save image, you're going to keep it as a JPEG or PNG, but I would choose JPEG in this situation. Put quality to max, and you save it to wherever you want. Like I'll just save it here, and you've done your thumbnail. So guys, I hope this tutorial helps you a lot. If you want any other tutorials, then put a comment down below, and I'll see you all next time. Peace.